Welcome back to Quick and Learn IT. In this video, I'll walk you through how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams step by step and explain on accessing recorded in another video, where it's stored, and who can start or stop it. First, join your Teams meeting as usual. Here I am already joined and has begun. Go to the meeting controls and click More Actions. Then select Record and Transcribe. Start recording. I will select the language here as English. As soon as recording begins, everyone in the meeting is automatically notified. That way, there are no surprises just like this. Pop-ups on their side as well. What does the recording capture? It records audio, video, and screen sharing activity. However, it doesn't include things like whiteboard annotations, PowerPoint Live embedded animations, or shared app content via certain apps. Also to note that there are certain restrictions to who can start and stop the recording during meeting. Here I am attaching the chart on for this retrieved from Microsoft website. To stop recording, you go back to More Actions, Record, and Transcribe. Stop recording. The recording stops, or you can stop transcription while continuing, and the file is processed and becomes available. Participants will see it in the meeting chat or in the channel if it was a channel meeting. That's it on how to start the recording. We will see in another video on how to access Teams recorded meeting from your account.